Delsener Designs, the most important relationship you can have when considering home renovation and interior design. Bill Delsener has been working in the interior design industry for more than 40 years. Few people have the knowledge and experience in building new or modifying existing, working with engineers and zoning regulations, or designing custom furniture as well as the impeccable taste to accompany it. When you find someone like Bill, you hang on to them, which is why so many of Delsener Designs' clients are repeat customers. Few designers are capable of conceptualizing such beautiful yet functional spaces. Almost no designer works with each department and trade to make sure every detail is executed in exquisite detail. Take, for example, this Western Connecticut ensuite bathroom. The large primary bath was very dated, and the client desired a fresh look. The client required both a shower and a whirlpool tub for the new design. They also wanted more storage and a larger feeling room. This meant that space would have to be used very efficiently. Bill's meticulous nature and watchful eye made sure that every process went flawlessly. The client had used Bill for previous renovation projects such as their kitchen, so they were sure that placing such a high demand on the bathroom would yield a perfect result. To create the spacious feel, Bill started by using full-height, large-format tile. The glass-enclosed shower features standard high-flow and rain heads for a luxurious experience. The vanity and discreet vertically retracting mirror to the medicine cabinet provide ample storage space. The bathroom also includes a heated two-person whirlpool for therapeutic as well as romantic moments. Large pull-out cabinets allow for seemingly endless bathroom storage. A tankless floating toilet saves space and reduces water usage, as well as utilizes a much more streamlined design than conventional commodes. Lowering the ceiling and providing a solid level overhead creates the feeling of a much more expansive room. This cleans up the overall look and the surround of the bathroom. The complex geometric skylight well allows for additional natural light. The end result is a beautiful, spacious, luxurious bathroom with tons of storage and top-of-the-line amenities. Remember to like and subscribe this video and our channel. We will be updating with new projects on a regular basis. For more information about Delsener Designs and their projects, visit BillDelsener.com